Scheduled maintenance. Scheduled maintenance is any task that is given a deadline and assigned to a technician. It can either be a recurring task done at regular intervals or a one-time task. Scheduled maintenance includes inspections, adjustments, regular service, and planned shutdowns. An example of scheduled maintenance occurring at repeating intervals is changing a bearing on a conveyor belt every 30 days or inspecting the condition of a motor every 90 days. Scheduled maintenance can also take the form of a one-time work order. If a problem with an asset or part is identified, a time is scheduled to check and repair the asset.